Hello, I am Anjali Raj Rajendran. I am a BTS student and I am a member of Guzarish. First of all, I want to ask you something. What would be your reaction if I ask you to stop going to school and go for some work and start earning at an age where you are asked to play, care and many more? Strange, na? Yes. Then just think of those children who are found begging for their family and for their boss. Here, I am just bringing out a point that we see every day but fail to do anything to change the scenario. As we all know that child labor is a type of crime in which children are forced to work at a very young age and to assume their responsibilities just like adults by participating in economic activities and others. Child labor is very harmful for young ones to their physical, moral and mental development. So, many reasons are there for child slavery or child trafficking, but survey says that main cause of child labor are very high level of poverty and the lack of access of good education. Development of the country is directly affected by this crime, and the child labor is a big reason for the underdevelopment of the country. This is a serious issue and a big social problem in most developing countries. Now, I will tell you what are the main causes of child labor. Actually, the causes of work of children in the world are similar but differ from country to the other, like poverty and the high rate of unemployment in developing countries, lack of access to regular education, and the children are hired by industries to get more work or at a cost of workforce reduced. Then access to compulsory and free education is limited, debt and child welfare, family tradition and discrimination between boys and girls. From all of this, the root cause and the main reason of child labor is extreme poverty, which forces the parents to employ their children for some extra money for daily living. And these all are some of the reasons why child labor has become a permanent problem. The solution of this problem is not immediate, but the foundations of these can be laid from now. To deal with this problem, we need to understand where it comes from. We all should come together for tackling this one of the biggest problems, child labor, and bring happiness and joy to a child's face and nation. Every child has their own right to do anything they want. They have their own smiles and the future worth more than billions. Don't ruin their childhood, their smile and their life. The best place for the children to work at this age is school. Educate them and build them for better future. Thank you.